What's that noise? That's not my heart beating, folks. They're working on our sewer line here in the city. I think I'd like to show y'all what's going on. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Yeah. Look at that mess they just made. They're gonna pump this whole line. You can see it all the way over there. They're pumping this whole line down under there's my shed back there. And they're pumping it down. They had to dig out probably about 20 feet from the manhole to here. And they got this pumper pulling this thing down. You can see it move. You can see it move, watch. Putting a brand new line in, folks. See how it's moving? Little by little. Broke up my sidewalk. Put a pile of dirt here. That's a pile of trash from the neighbors. Alright. There's Toby's little window. This is what he looks through when he goes back here to go bark at all the other dogs and people passing by. And then he's got his other window there. There's the sewer line. If I can get a good shot with no sun. That's probably about 8 feet deep there. No, probably about 12 feet. About 12 feet. They had to dig that hole to make that pipe have an easier way to get in the hole. See, right down there below, right here, that's the existing line. Okay? They're going to go in there right above that existing line, and then they're going to tee into it somehow. Amazing how they do this. Put all that pipe underground. So there you have it, folks.